Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the part 4 on the topic that is problems on numbers. So this question is given here that three numbers are in the ratio that is 3:2:5. The sum of the squares is 1862. So we have to find the numbers. So whenever the ratio is given means let us assume that let the numbers be 3x, 2x and 5x. We'll put a variable along with it. So now the sum of the squares is given. So when you take the square of this one, that is 3x, and bracket is very important. I'll tell you why. This is again square of this, and this is the square of this one. So this is 1862. So now look at here, whenever why the bracket is important, you just write here 3x and square, that means it will be 3x square. But this bracket means that you have to multiply this as well as this. This is important. So 3 square is going to be 9x square. Again here 4x square, 25x square. 5 square means 5 5 is 25 here. And this will be as it is. So when you add this all, that is going to be 38. 38x square is 1862. So x square is 1862. This is multiplication, so it is going to get divided. So x square, when you divide this number with this one, that is going to be 49. So you know that 49 is a perfect square. When you square both sides, that you will get x is 7. So the numbers are, so now what are the numbers given here? What did we consider here? 3x, 2x and 5x. So 3x is going to be 3, you got 7. So it will be 3 into 7, that will be 21. 2 into 7, that is going to be 14. And 5 into 7, that is going to be 35. So these are the numbers. So by this one, we have completed the question over here. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.